Welcome to the session Mobile Phone Analogy of Electric Vehicle Industries. I generally use the transition from the telephone to the smartphone, how different things around us including the business opportunity and our lifestyle change with this transition from the old telephone to the smartphone. The same way, by comparing the few parameters, we can predict the future of electric vehicle technology and industry. So let's compare few things with the thought process of what we already experienced about the technology transfer from the telephone to the smartphone. The basic use of telephone is to voice call. It remains same, but with advanced technology, and also when arts and technology and science comes together, we will have totally new product with the new features and new technology. So human beings never limited their desire or needs at certain specific things. It is always growing. So we generally don't do or don't make anything or any product just for the one purpose. We always try to improve it, and we always want something more from each and every product and each and every thing. So we just not only live, we just not only build the home for shelter, we just not only food the cook for only satisfying our hunger. The same way we do this for each and every product, and technology transfer is the continuous process. This is the human nature. So we observed that from the old telephone, that was the era from the changing of landline from the to the portable device which is having the battery, old mobile phones. Then we call it, this transition happens in 3 stages, and then we will compare at which stage the current stage of electric vehicle or the transition of IC engine based vehicle to the electric vehicle is currently exist. So in this transition we had several questions in our mind. We can also call it the problem, and we already solved it. If you remember, during this transition there was the problem issue of the cost. It was the too costly for the calling. So we are not discussing about the cost. It will definitely solve with the increase in users. But the major problem, a scientific and engineering problem, was who will charge mobile daily. So because we need to charge daily if we want to use the portable device battery, and if we want to improve the mobile phone, if we want touch screen, if we want larger screen, then battery will get stuck and we require the higher amount of battery it will cost, or we need to charge it daily. Second things, what, who will carry this phone daily with them. So from the house, mobile phone, telephone phone per household previously were there. Then after the era comes, each person having the mobile phone, but in this era only few are capable to use the mobile phone due to its cost, and all peoples are not willing to charge the mobile daily. We were not used to carry the mobile phone on our hand daily. So that was the era. But certainly things will change. Now we used to charge mobile phone daily, we used to carry it, and we always keep the mobile with us. So it is happening. So if you observe, then not only the voice call, but different technology comes in advancement with from the telephone to the smart mobile phone. It becomes the camera phone, app, different kinds of app technologies there, games are there, touch screens, and we know the endless possibilities are there nowadays that we can do with the mobile phone. So it becomes the essential part of each and every human being. So this is just for the comparison and what hurdles we are having. So at this stage we never stopped looking forward toward the technology, and we keep continue in the innovation and development. So this is lead us where we are currently. If we also observe the some peripheries, that is the business or some other model, old telephone booths, STDs, iOS, and in this era we are having the different model. We need to locate the a mobile tower at certain area, because it capture only it covers certain kilometers of area around its radius. So not only the instrument or product, but the parallel technology also, supportive technology and structure should also improve with the technology. So we observe that in case of the telephone to the smartphone era transition, if we compare and if we divide in the 3 stage this technology transfer, or we can see the update, stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. So stage 2 of this technology change is the era when we are having the certain problems. We are willing to use the mobile phone, but certain very important problem that we need to solve out. So here we solved it out. For few problems we become used to charge the mobile daily. We are having the battery technology improvement, we are having the mobile towers, we are having the different business model. It is not like that the person that was doing the business of telephone booth or STD and they stuck. So now they are having the new business model of the mobile phone accessories or renting or any different ways they can continue with their business. So it is not like it is harming some business, but definitely one need to improve and update according to the technology. So now if we look at what are the benefit that comes from when we reach the stage 3 in terms of business model, then we can have idea. In the manufacturing and service business area, we are having now mobile phone assembling. So mobile phone assembling, smartphone assembling business is the very huge market nowadays. We can say battery technology, battery development business, display technology. So many companies only manufacture the displays. Camera technology, mobile phone camera. Now we are having the highest quality digital camera integrated in the mobile. Internet technology, service business, process technology. So companies manufacturing the mobile processors are increasing. NAND flash technology, companies providing the memory to the mobile phone. So this is processor and NAND flash are the costliest part of the mobile phone. Then app development business is there. We know how many people are involved in this business. So we can say the software industries, game development. So you can imagine this is not only about the voice calling or updating the one function, but in addition to this main function, we are nowadays we are having number of different business model available. It is definitely benefit of the technology upgradation in any area. Electronic PCB manufacturing and development. So there are endless list we can count that add on to due to the advancement of telephone or mobile phone technology that we call the smartphone. We can also list out something in the trading and other business like the small shop, mobile shop, accessory shop, repair shop, and different business we can compare. Mobile tower installation, and we also provide the space for installing the mobile towers as a rent. So this is generally to realize that the technology upgradation will always add the new business model, and we need to look eye on that if we want to take benefit from the future technology. So now let's compare the ICE vehicle, that means internal combustion engine based vehicle, to the electric vehicle, future vehicle. So if we shut it down, the all era of electric vehicle, if I divide in 2 stage. So the first stage, itself it is the great improvement from the old ICE engine based car to the modern ICE engine based car. From the interior, dashboard, each and every parts are already upgraded and updated at the very highest level and technology. And we are also having the very good business model of the showroom, of the petrol pump, and accessories. So different things already are exist in automobile. Now here we are not completely changing the things, because all automobile sector will remain same business model, including the tire, wheel, chassis, frame, color, paint, then safety standards. So all things, major things will remain change. Only we can say the ICE will be replaced by electric motor in the electric vehicle, but additionally petrol pump will replaced by the charger. And if we look at and compare with this 3-stage, let me do this 3-stage, where in the second stage we are having the certain question, and if we compare this, then we can say that currently the electric vehicle, this transition, industrial transition, is at the second stage, because currently we are having the certain question, and definitely it will be sort out soon within the few years. So the question is, how will put on charge daily? So who will put on their car or electric vehicle daily basis on the charge on the public or at the home also, and what if charge gets over in between, because currently number of chargers are less, and when in future we will see the public charging station, number of public charging station will improve, and then after we will have the so many new features and advantage in term of business, in term of experience of vehicle, and we are expecting lots of things that cannot be predict exactly at this stage, but by comparing the mobile phone technology upgradation analogy, we can have idea about that. It will definitely going to benefit in the one or other form. So we need to keep eyes on this, and those who are interested or already involved in the automobile sector, they need to understand what is the electrical vehicle engineering. So hope you got idea about this comparison and why we compared it with the mobile phone technology or business.